All right. Imagine you see a question like this. I mean, most of you crammed it. Oh, phenolphthalein in this, litmus paper in this, kinikon in this material. I mean, it's not that hard. Let me teach you. That's why I'm here. But if this is your first time watching this YouTube video, I want you to subscribe. Hit the follow button, hit the subscription button. Just be there, share, comment, like, and let's go. Now, phenolphthalein in acidic medium is that, as far as I am concerned, I don't even know the answer, but I know there's a magic that I learned then, when I was preparing. So I learned it. So let me teach you too. So the way I used to know it is that there's a particular mnemonic called LMP. Now, LMP stands for litmus paper. This one stands for methyl orange. Why this one stands for the phenolphthalein. Abi now these are called indicators. Now there are other three things we have to know. The first thing is that, is it acidic medium, is it basic medium, and is it neutral? Those are the things you need to know. Abi, is it that you put it in acidic medium, or you put it in basic medium, or neutral? Do you get endpoint? Sometimes I think this one you can put it as endpoint. That is not, it is not either basic or acidic at the endpoint. So litmus paper, LMP. Now the thing is, I want to do something. I want to change this to acidic, because there is something that I want to change this to basic and acidic. I told you I don't know this answer. I don't know the answer to this question, but I know that after this magic, I will get the answer. Now, LMP, basic. Now, there's a way I know this thing. Litmus paper can either be red litmus paper or blue. Abi, red or blue. Now, for basic, I know that litmus paper will turn, if it is basic in basic medium, it will turn red litmus, and base will turn red litmus paper to what? To blue. Like when you have a red litmus paper like this and you put it in a base, like in a basic medium, it will turn red to blue. So the way I used to know is that, because base is B, so it will turn red to B to blue. So this will be blue. And that blue stands for by your pencil. You will see it now. So now that means this B here means what? Blue. This your here means what? Yellow. Then this P here is not purple, it is pink. Take note of that. So LMP, by your pencil. So your means yellow, abi? So in acidic medium, I use RC. That is R square C in acidic medium. This means when you put a blue litmus paper inside an acidic medium, it will turn blue litmus paper what? Red. So this is red. So methyl orange will also be what? Red in acidic medium. But what of phenolphthalein will be what? RRC. RRC. Abi? It will be what? Colorless. Colorless. So from this now, I already got my answer. Phenolphthalein in acidic medium is what? Colorless. But I'm not done. Now, in basic medium, I use POC. P-O-C. POC. To know this. POC. Now, don't forget, this is pink, but here it is purple. It means purple. The P here means purple. Why this one means what? Orange, of course. At the end point, you expect it to be orange now. Methyl orange, orange. Then C here means what? Colorless. This is the answer. So the answer here is what? Colorless. Now, there's another question that you have to understand. Is a concept question. What is the question? Is that which of the indicators try to give problem, right? Because I mean, look at phenolphthalein. There's a problem there. Phenolphthalein in acidic medium is colorless. At the end point is also colorless. Then which one? When will you know which? So that's the issue with phenolphthalein. Do you get? We don't know which one will be, because it might be in acidic medium, be colorless. At the end point is also colorless. So give problem. So these are the ways to know the indicators and which medium. So I'm very sure after this now, you don't need to cram. You are good to go. You solve any question that has to do with indicator. Then I hope you're good. So this is the way LMP, the indicators LMP for basic, because it started with B. So buy your pencil. So basic, this one paper will turn red this one paper will turn blue when it is basic medium. It will turn yellow when it is in basic medium, and phenolphthalein will turn pink when it is basic medium. If it is acidic medium, RRC, so red, then colorless. At the end point, POC, purple, orange, colorless. So I want you to take note of this pencil. Pencil, P-E-N, pink, N is there, P. So here is purple, then orange, colorless. So I hope you gain something. See you in the next class. If you know this, it's very, very important. And if you have not subscribed, yeah, hit the subscription button now. See you in the next class. Bye.